Well, Pepperdine men's volleyball is now 5-0 on the season, and we caught up once again with head coach Marv Dunphy, who gave us a little insight on where we are now and where we're headed. So, Coach, your team now 5-0 on the season and a really exciting sweep over Stanford. Do you feel like some momentum is picking up?
Well, I hope so, but I also know that it's pretty early in the season, and there's lots of volleyball to play. It's always good to win at home, but it's even better to win on the road. And in the MPSF this year, it's very, very even. And so to get 2 road wins, it's kind of like the frosting on the cake. And Hawaii is young, but they're talented, and I think they're going to be in the mix at the end of the year, and I hope we are too.
This weekend you have USC coming up. What do you look for out of them?
SC's a real talented team. I think they recruit real well. They have real good talent and I think good balance. In other words, their middles are good, their outsides are good, and setting's good, and libero's good. And I think that Penn State and SC have the best talent in the country. They're solid in every way.
Is there anything specific that you guys are going to look to counter that?
For us, it's a little bit who we're playing, but mostly we have some standards that we have that we know we need to meet. Serving and passing and hitting, and we're not meeting some of those standards. Specifically passing, we need to pass better, and we're losing that battle. We're winning some matches. We're having to hit our way out of trouble, but we need to serve better so we can run all options of our offense.
Anything that you can pinpoint that you feel is working really well right now?
Casey Kreider's a first-time setting, and he's holding his own. He's a pretty tough kid, and I didn't know. It's easy to be tough when you're a backup and not playing, but so he's a little tougher than I thought, and he's doing well. He's got some big shoes to fill, and I think Matt McKee and Corey are passing okay, and not losing it when they make an error or two, and so I feel pretty good about the way things are going.